All right, guys. Something's going up right now. Okay. There's a tornado siren been going on here, as you can see. Oh my gosh. It's up north. Don't worry. I'll be safe. But I'm not repeating this. Oh my gosh. Here we go. I'm gonna head home now.
Twin Lakes for that. Check for debris.
Oh, worst decision. Worst decision.
Tornado right now, coming into the OU campus in downtown Norman right now. There's the watch this. Here comes the mall. This one's Highway 9.
I don't know if you guys can hear the tornado siren, but yeah. Okay, I don't know what. Better hurry home earlier then. Okay, where's... I don't know, guys. I hope this light turned green.